Finished up gauges. Took way too long given Autometer sent something that was not working. So gauges work now. Now we're setting preload, ride height. As the BC Works subframe risers, they raise your subframe, and it will actually lower the car about 1/4 of an inch at least. And so now just raising it up, getting the proper ride height, so it's not tucking lit, looking all slammed in Stance Nation, and actually drives good. Brian's clutch master is leaking, so I'm gonna put in a new clutch master. New master in now.
Oh, what happened?
Bleed. Yeah, another bleed. Another bleed.
How many times have you bled the clutch on this car?
This is gonna be like the 3rd time. So that's pretty sick.
So you're just bleeding it once a day, eh?
Pretty much.
For fun?
Yeah, because this thing's been in like 3 vlogs now, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. This car's getting some fucking seat time right now. Dad's talking. We're aligning Brian's car, finally. Dad's on the phone. We're aligning Brian's car. Dad's on the phone. So we're aligning Brian's car. Dad's on the phone. And we're gonna do an alignment on Brian's car. Dad's on the phone.
Serious. Nothing exciting yet. I'm just putting Noah's car up in the air, and I'm going to make some more room, obviously, and hopefully by the end of today we'll have a 2JZ in his car. You know what Reboot is? Talk about it. I'm pretty sure that was a show when I was younger about some like cyborg shit. Reboot. Okay, so yeah, now I gotta put the pressure plate on, the clutch on, and then I gotta lift it up. Well, I gotta lift it up and then put the clutch on, and then I gotta put the tranny on, and then I gotta put the. Oh, how stupid did that sound right now? Oh, what are these? What's going on there? There we go. You want to put the camera down and help me for a second? It's a floating engine. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Another rebuild for Snap-on.
And then I went to Walmart and like...
Ah! Yeah. Who would have thought? Look at that. It's like it was made for it or something.
That's how you get that all.
Welcome to Roast Beef Garage. We have roast beef sandwich wrap things. Check out the new paint job and the sick R154. See you next time. Old half-ton Terry getting put to work here. Lifting up this 3-liter 2JZ VVTI.
What kind of trans?
It's a Toyota R154.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay, good. No, so what I was thinking is someone can go in a little.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay, well, oh, the valve covers are getting close and tasty.
Okay.
How do you feel right now? You focused?
I'm pretty down with what's going on. I'm pretty happy. I don't know how Dad's side is, but my side's pretty happy. Jeff's literally holding the whole motor right now.
Feeling good. Motor's in.
You just want to hold it like that a little while later? Thanks, buddy.
Andrew, I'm gonna need you to.
You want to just hold it like that till the build's done? What a good kid.
So your lens is pretty dirty. It's gonna wreck my face.
Oh shit.
So finally got a moment to get this 2J in this S14, and we've been meaning to do it for a long time. We just super busy, and you know, it finally came together and we got it in. It's been a long time, few months process, but it's in the car, and now I get to start making an engine harness for it. Slowly coming together, finally.
Finished up Brian's car. Finally road testing it after everything. RA feels so much better. Probably gonna be faster because it's got gauges now. Gauges make you go really fast. Yeah, comment if you want more gauges in your super sick S13. Like if you want to get them installed at Platform Garage. Subscribe for both. Thank you.